Hi friends, today we are going to prevent these insects from our beautiful gardens. Let's see how I did it. First of all, take a small bottle and make some holes like this. It need not to be so big because the insects need to be come inside and never goes out. That's our plan. So we are making a solution from this plant. This is a common plant known as Tulasi in India. I am going to take its leaves for the solution we are making. Let's see how I made the solution. Take some leaves and also water. Let's mix it together. Crush the leaves with the water. Take your time and crush it slowly so it will make a good solution. The smell, it is the thing that attracts these insects and kill itself in this bottle. Let's pour it into the bottle. Next step is to hang the bottle in our garden. This one I recently made and it have a good result. As you can see, there are so many insects in this bottle. Let's see our new one is performing well or not. Yes, there are some insects outside the bottle. It will enter into the bottle and dead in some time. Let's see. These insects are very bad. They create hole in every vegetables in our garden. And let's see they are dead or not. Let's wait for tomorrow morning. These are the result I got. When I woke up, there are so many of them inside the bottle. And it is a successful idea. Try yourself at home and you will be surprised to remove all these insects from your home.